This is the Wavlink USB-C hub, and although it looks the same as every other USB hub, it has one extra feature that makes it a game changer. I bought the Wavlink hub on Amazon for $69. Nice. And it came the next day. Check out the link in the description for this one. But to go along with it, I also bought an NVMe SSD. Why? Well, the dock does include everything you expect, like a 10 gigabit USB-C, USB-A ports, SD, micro SD card readers, 100 watt power delivery, and even HDMI. But it also includes an NVMe slot for storage. This has been a game changer for me as a photographer. I'm always editing on the road between shoots, and now I can quickly dump footage off my cameras onto the built-in SSD and get to work editing on either my iPad or my MacBook. Since the hub supports 10 gigabit, it's even fast enough that I can edit 4K video from the Sony a7S III directly off the hub. And its small form factor and being lightweight just mean I can store it just about anywhere when I'm not using it. Honestly, for the price, this can't be beaten. I've spent double the price in the not so distant past for just a card reader. Now, where I think this hub really shines is when being used with a device like an iPad or a MacBook that only has a single USB-C port. You now get access to every port you could want, plus external storage, all while being able to plug in and charge while using your single port for data duties. Okay, that wraps up this week's gear review. Do you have a piece of gear that you couldn't live without? Make sure to let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.